Hello everyone, welcome for this new training. I'm Julien Deville, I'm a trainer certified by Blender Foundation, and in this training we will discover how to make this Allosaurus, this dinosaur here, and we will learn all the techniques to make this. So let's talk about a little of this dinosaur, and I will show you this like this. Okay, so we have the result here of the geometry we will build. So this dinosaur is Allosaurus from the Jurassic period. It's a really common dinosaur on this period. You can see here the different maps that we will create to add a good shader on our dinosaur. You can see here the normal map, and then after the color, ambient and cavity map appears. Okay, so let's talk about what we will do into this new training. Okay, we will do some modeling. So the first part will be the modeling part, and as I show you here for the hind legs, so we will discover the modeling techniques to make organic model. So here we go further and we will discover extrusions and techniques like that to help you to model all kind of organic models. Okay, so this will be the modeling part. Next part will be sculpting, and in this part we will build the muscles and the joints of our dinosaur, like here, like we have here. And here I show you how to add some wrinkles and some details like that with textures, and we will go until create little details like that on our dinosaur until the scales. Okay, so here this is what we will do during the sculpting chapter. Okay, next chapter will be about UV editing and baking. So in this part, UV editing, we will try to unwrap our model as well as possible and to have something with as much regularity during our texturing process. Okay, like you can see here. And when this part will be finished, we can bake our textures. So here I show you how to bake a normal map and the result here that we have from our sculpting to a texture. Okay, next we will texture our model, and for this we will use texture paint mode and all the tools that we have in texture paint mode. So in this part, for example, I show you how to make color variations. We will make 4 color variations into this training, and here I show you how to use smear to use smear just to make some interesting pattern into your model like this. Okay, so this is the texturing part. Next part we will rig our model, and for the rigging process, so we will just build armature with bones and constraints. So here I show you how to build here the bones and show you this process, but we will work with constraint as well, and even with custom shapes on bone to customize our armature and to have something good to work on it. And after, like this, we can animate our model. The animation process, I will show you how to make a walk cycle, how to make a run cycle too, and add a roaring action into this. And when we will build the 3 actions, we can mix them like I show you there. So there is a run cycle and the roaring action. So like this you can mix animations. And finally we can render our model with ferns and rocks. So in this training you will have assets like ferns and rocks directly into it. And not only this, there is some other assets too, like this one. So here I will show you the other dinosaurs that you will have in the assets. So here you have the Allosaurus that you will have for sure with all the source files, but you will have the Camarasaurus as well, and all the models are rigged, are textured, are ready for render with a shader and everything on it. So you can see the Camarasaurus here, you can see the Camptosaurus as well. So it will be good to make your scenes more interesting if you want to play with different dinosaurs. And for example, you can play with an Allosaurus, hunt Camptosaurus, for example, it's a very good example, or a Stegosaurus. Here it's someone very common that you will find in Jurassic, so okay. And after we will have the last one, the Torvosaurus, okay, a carnivore as well. And but with something different for the shape. So that's it for this introduction video. So let's continue together, and really don't hesitate, it's a very good opportunity with all the stuff inside.